Welcome back to our channel. Thailand has recently updated its visa rules, and today we're going to dive deeper into one specific visa, the Destination Thailand Visa or DTV. If you're a digital nomad, remote worker, or looking to explore Thailand for other reasons, this visa could be perfect for you. Let's get started. So, who exactly is eligible for the DTV? Here's a quick rundown. Digital nomads, remote worker, or freelancers, participants in soft power activities like Muay Thai courses, Thai cooking classes, sports training, medical treatment or seminars, and music festivals. Spouses and dependent children of the DTV holders. Imagine working from the scenic beaches or bustling cafes of Thailand. With the DTV, you can enjoy the flexibility to work remotely while exploring new cultures. It's perfect for digital nomads, remote workers, and freelancers. But it's not just for work. The DTV is also ideal for those participating in unique activities. Many MMA enthusiasts dream of training in the birthplace of Muay Thai. With the DTV, they can spend months in Thailand training with top fighters. Chefs from around the world attend immersive Thai cooking classes to master authentic Thai cuisine. Sports enthusiasts train in Thailand's favorable climate to prepare for their next competition. And if you're into music festivals, Thailand has a vibrant scene waiting for you. Families can also benefit from the DTV. Imagine relocating to Thailand where one partner continues their remote work while the children enroll in local schools, enjoying an enriching cultural experience. It's a great opportunity for spouses and dependent children of DTV holders. You can apply for the DTV visa for the following purposes. Workcation, ideal for digital nomads, remote workers, foreign talents, and freelancers. Thai soft power related activities such as Muay Thai training, Thai culinary courses, and medical treatment. Family members, spouses and children under 20 years old of DTV visa holders. Now, let's dive into the required documents for applying for a DTV. All applicants need passport biodata page or travel document, must be valid within 6 months from the travel date. Photograph, a recent photo taken within the past 6 months. Document indicating current location. This could be a driving license, bank statement, or proof of stay. Financial evidence, a copy of a recent saving or checking bank statement with an ending balance of no less than 500,000 Thai baht or approximately $14,000 that shows the applicant's name and date. If submitting a family bank statement, proof of relationship like a birth certificate or marriage certificate must be provided. For specific purposes, here are the additional documents needed. For workcation, employment contract or employment certificate from your country or a professional portfolio showcasing your status as a digital nomad, remote worker, foreign talent, or freelancer. Thai soft power related activities. Letter of acceptance from the institute or company organizing the activities, or a letter of appointment from a hospital or medical center. Family members. Personal details of the DTV visa holder such as valid government-issued ID card, passport biodata page, and the DTV visa approval of the DTV visa holder. Now, let's cover the visa details. Visa fee is 10,000 Thai baht. Visa validity 5 years. Multiple entries is allowed. Period of stay 180 days per entry. So for 10,000 Thai baht, you get a visa that's valid for 5 years. You can enter and leave Thailand as many times as you want within this period. Each entry allows you to stay for up to 180 days. You can extend your stay through the Thai Immigration Bureau for an additional 180 days. After this period, you must leave Thailand and re-enter using your DTV visa within its validity. So, where can you apply? You can submit your application at the Royal Thai Embassy or the Royal Thai Consulate General. For professional assistance, contact Siam Legal. Our experienced immigration team with over 20 years in Thailand will guide you through the DTV visa application process, ensuring everything is correctly filled out and submitted on time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on living and working in Thailand. See you in the next video. Bye for now.